Hello, good morning. Myself Akshay, and today's my technical topic is the Java. The name is Abstraction, and today's date is 29th April 2024. So, in this video, we have to discuss some important points about the abstraction. Some rules are used in abstraction, and we have to achieve the abstraction. That time we are using the abstract classes and the interface. So we have to discuss the difference between the abstract classes and interface. So first of all, we have to know actually what is the abstraction. Abstraction is a type of a object oriented programming language. First of all, we have to know what is object oriented programming system. Actually, it is a main purpose of deal with real world entity using the programming language. That is a known as a object oriented programming language. Actually, OOPS concept have a four main key pillar. First one is a polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, and fourth one is a abstraction. Now in this video we have to discuss abstraction. Abstraction is a process of actually hiding the internal details and showing the essential things to the user. Means in the abstraction process, all the internal details have the all the details are hidden, and only user things looking. So actually we have to achieve the abstraction. That time we are using the abstract classes and the interfaces. And now discuss the some example of the abstraction. The first one is the cell phone. Actually in the cell phones we don't know actually internal process pursuing on, but we only know we have to suppose press the things. Now means only user things we have to know, but don't know the internal things. As some now we have to discuss some rule about the abstraction. Suppose we have to achieve the abstraction. That time we are using the abstract keyword. Abstract contain the final static and private and static method. It cannot initiate it. Means in the abstraction method we cannot initiate the initial things. Suppose it abstraction, it contain the constructor and the interfaces. In the now actually these things are most important, and these some more are important to the abstraction. And we have to achieve the abstraction. That time we are using the abstract classes and the interfaces. Now in this video we have to discuss some difference about the interfaces and the abstraction. Actually in the in the abstraction, it contain the abstract method and the non-abstract method. In the other hand, interface actually it contain only the abstract method. Actually suppose we have to inherit the other classes. That time we are using the abstraction in the extend keyword, and the other hand in the interface we have to inherit the other classes. That time we are using the implement keyword. Actually in the abstraction, suppose we have to private protected, and that time we are using this method in abstraction classes. And the other hand interfaces we are using the default and the public methods. And suppose it can in the abstract method it can have a final, a non-final, static and non-static method. On the other hand, in the abstraction we are using only static and final method. So these important points are used in a abstraction. And most important purpose is that suppose we are use we are means in the internal details we don't know, we are only user essential things, and that is the important purpose behind that programming. And suppose in the and this process are much more important to the Java for the security of the programming and the application. And these things are important to the these things are important to the security purpose of the any programming language. And abstraction is the important topic, is the hiding the internal details and showing the functionality user. So thank you so much.